Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I'm going to show you a problem and how to fix it. This is the problem. When you open up a door, it comes back and it hits into a closet door or a wall or whatever it hits into, and you want to avoid that problem. I'm going to show you today how to correct it. You can go to your big box store and you can pick up something like this here. This connects up on the hinge and it keeps the door from opening too far and hitting into the wall or the door itself. And it is adjustable, just so you know. You can put it on and adjust it as needed. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to get a tool like this, a hammer, and we're going to use something like this. This is a drift, and it knock out a drift pin. If you don't have this, you can use a nail or anything else that's pointy, just like this. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the hinge itself, underneath the bottom, right here, and you just tap on it. And you see how the hinge bolt is coming up? Just tap it up, just like that. This will come out. It's a good idea to have the door closed. That way you don't have to try to pull the door open and get the pin out. All right, and you take it and you put it on the door like this here. It slides through just like that, over the top like this, and then we'll just tap it down like that. We'll grab a hammer. Oh, sorry. Grab our hammer and just tap it down. Just like that. Next thing we're going to do, it is adjusted partially. We're going to open the door just like this, and we'll adjust it so that it doesn't hit. Now you see it's still hitting down here. So we're just going to adjust it slightly, and we're going to turn it out just a little bit more. Just like that. We'll try it again. And now you can see it won't hit into the door. If you push the door open, it bounces back before it hits into the closet or wall or whatever. And as I said, this pin is adjustable, so it's really a very simple adjustment and you'll correct the problem. All right, that's it. That's today's quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.